Getting one IRS notice is terrifying, but what happens when you get a second one or a third? If you are a healthcare or assisted living facility owner and you feel like the IRS is constantly sending you letters, you are trapped in a vicious cycle. You pay a penalty, you think it's over, and 6 months later, another notice arrives. Why does this keep happening? It's not because your business is failing, and it's not because you are trying to evade taxes. It is happening because you are treating a massive structural wound with a tiny Band-Aid. Welcome back. I'm Larry Davis, enrolled agent and founder of Tax Help. We help healthcare business owners across all 50 states achieve IRS compliance, accurate books, and lower taxes. Today, we are going to expose the real reason you keep getting trapped in the IRS notice cycle and why your current CPA's method of just replying to the letter is actually making the problem worse. When you hand an IRS notice to a generic tax preparer, what do? They look at that specific letter, they write a response, or they tell you to just pay the fine. They treat the symptom, not the disease. The reason you keep getting notices is that your underlying tax and financial system is broken. Your books are likely only updated during tax season. Your payroll records might not perfectly align with your bank statements. When your financial data is fragmented, the IRS computers easily spot the inconsistencies year after year. You don't have a tax problem because you are a bad business owner. You have a tax problem because you do not have a tax and financial system you can trust. A trusted system doesn't just react to the IRS, it prevents the IRS from knocking in the first place. It means your numbers are accurate every single month. It means your compliance is handled proactively. When you have a trusted system, you avoid tax surprises and you finally get peace of mind. If you have received multiple IRS or state notices, you do not need another quick fix. You need a complete review of your financial ecosystem. It's time to stop the cycle. Schedule your tax and financial health assessment today. We will review your IRS situation and your bookkeeping to identify exactly what needs to be fixed. Click the link in the description to book your assessment now.